How to use AT&T Photo Storage service. The legacy AT&T Photo Storage service has officially shut down for current cloud storage backups and media features. So you must use the updated AT&T Personal Cloud platform. So to activate the AT&T Personal Cloud, first of all, you have to sign into your My AT&T account overview from the online or in the mobile application. Once you launch the application, you should be able to find it, or simply launch any web browser of your choice. Then head to the AT&T account overview by simply tapping on this and type AT&T account overview. Once you find the official site, go ahead and log into your account. Then navigate to the wireless add-ons, choose the cloud and storage, and select the AT&T Personal Cloud. Now you simply have to pick your preferred storage size limit and tap the Add to Device to confirm the monthly feature subscription. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.